Oh, wait. Oh. Oh.
Oh, no.
All right, everyone, I'm going to call the docket. When I call the docket, you need to stand and let me know you're here. Otherwise, I'm going to assume you're not here and a warrant may be issued for your arrest. And I think it's a little bit too cold to be arrested today. Who knew it? 90 degrees? Yeah, 90 degrees, then we're just like all over the place.
50-degree shifts.
Oh, yes. That's why I'm like, my mom always says, dress for the season, not the weather. So, Megan, happy Women's History Month. All right. Today's female, I decided to choose Opal Lee. Lee. Okay. Jeremiah Mark. Jeremiah Roberto Mark. Juan Revas. Ethan Gonzalez. Fatima Malar, custody. Roland Dela Garza, custody. Israel Gonzalez.
He's here, Your Honor, but he's outside, he's on crutches, he's
I'm sorry, he's what?
he's on crutches.
All
and
right.
broken ankle.
All
You want
right.
me to bring him in?
Yes,
Okay.
thank you. Maria Martinez, custody. Kendall Ortiz. Carl Robinson, custody. Jonathan Dreamer, custody. Israel Gonzalez Jr. Ah, thank you. Kenneth Mendez, custody. Eddie Bustio. Wasn't that reset? Adam Cruz, Joe Rodriguez, custody. Lucio Soto or Lucio Soto III. Gabriel Ibarra. Evelio Gonzalez. Mark Parsons, custody. Gennaro Zavala, custody. April Fields. April Monique Neos Fields. Aiden Lujan Falcon. Joe Morales, Michael Pena, custody. Isaiah Reyes. Demontre Gaines. Omar Contraras. Samuel Ramirez. Samuel Gerald Ramirez. Omar Contraras. Thank you. Sorry, you're on the docket more than once. Daniel Ontiveros, custody. Julian Tovar. Daryl Payne, custody. Chaz Reed, custody. Thank you. Margaret Dela Cruz Garza.
She's here, Your Honor.
Stephen Wallbacher, custody. Anyone who came in late or your name was not called. All right. Yes, sir. What's your name? Cesar Robles. Do you know who your attorney is?
Yes, I'll report.
Ah, thank you. Do you have a cause number for me, Mr. Porter?
On page 5.
Ah,
You skipped it.
I skipped you. All right, we have you as being here. All right, everyone, these are the rules of the court. Please follow these rules and everything would go smoothly. Number one, you are not ready to approach the court if you have not conferred with the state and conferred with your client. If your client is custody, yes, your client needs to be brought out. Do not sign in if your client is not sitting in the box up before the court. If your client speaks in a language other than English, whether you speak the language or not, we'll need an interpreter. If you are seeking probation or your client is on probation, you need to talk to probation. They're an integral part of the system. I'm going to ask for their opinion anyway. To my left is the court reporter. Don't talk behind her when we're on the record. You will know we're on the record because I will have called the style of the case. When you're ready to approach the clerk or the coordinator, let them know the reason you're approaching so that we may take up your matter forthwith. All right, everyone, it's Monday, it's cold, and people have cold, flu, COVID, whatever is happening. If you're coughing, sneezing, ask for a mask. Be empathetic and show sympathy to others who don't want to end up catching anything. As I said before, I've never had COVID. I'm not trying to catch it now. So everyone, please confer. Of course, Megan, they're going to come trying to find me. Why has she never had COVID? What's going on?
Bill was trying to take you out.
Oh, they were. Everybody, you know, at this table right here, and I can point at it because Rick is there. They always try to take me out. I'm like, people trying to cough up a lung. I'm like, please don't do that. Yes.
My client's in the courtroom.
Okay. all right,
Israel.
good.
He had several cases, I believe.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Is there anyone who's ready?
No, ma'am, nobody signed in yet.
Oh, I've signed in.
Yeah.
Oh, on the other
Who
sheet.
was that your sheet? Oh, I
Yeah.
didn't know. Thought it was from last week. Yeah.
It's Margaret Dela Cruz, Your Honor.
You just did one.
Just one.
Yes,
All right. Doing all right, how about yourself? Look, your hair looks a little, you did a little, good, did you? How about Daniel Rodriguez? I don't remember.
Okay. What are they approaching for on Dela Cruz?
It's an MTR, Your Honor. I've already confirmed with the state in the back. So Miss Dela Cruz, her surgery was rescheduled. She had a stroke in the Bear County Jail several weeks
So
ago.
she's here today, right?
She is, Your Honor. She still has pneumonia, so she's wearing a mask.
Okay. So
She
to
she
the
got
clerks.
yeah. She's had a couple health issues, but currently she has pneumonia.
clerks, I need the documents on Dela Cruz, please.
We have a tentative resolution, Your Honor, on the MTR. I think the last thing is if we're gonna have some sort of inpatient treatment held in abeyance, just depending on how she recovers from her surgery, Your Honor.
Oh, I have no idea what's going on with your case. I need to see the docket.
No, Judge. We had her as Margaret Garza.
Daniel Ramirez. Oh, you don't pay for to be called, you can just text him, I got someone.
I did it.
All right, your client needs to come up.
Oh, she still has pneumonia. Do you want her to come up?
Is she
Your Honor?
wearing a mask?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, yeah, she needs to come up.
Miss Dela Cruz. Matt's for the-
And who is on Dela Cruz?
So you'll have to put it on.
All right.
Goes over the-
All right, could somebody give her a mask that she can put on?
Put it over your head, ma'am. Put it the right way.
It happens.
Oh,
Oh, that's okay. I never liked those type because of the,
Oh, no, I don't need your.
Okay. Here you go, ma'am. Throw that one away. There's a tag over there. No. Need the sign. Right there.
all right, so what is happening with this motion to revoke?
Judge, so last time we were here, council and I have conferred, but based on what probation's recommendation is, it depends on what is gonna happen with her surgery once it's completed. Because I believe we have an agreement for inpatient treatment. However, her state of health after her procedure determines which facility she can go to.
Okay, so when is the surgery? Because in February,
No,
it was saying surgery in 2
Yeah.
weeks.
when I was here and I was here with you, was gonna have surgery. When I got out, I ended up getting pneumonia. So I brought the paperwork, I've been sick and they won't do surgery till this is.
The doctor also had some scheduling issues as well, personal, Your Honor.
All right, so when is the surgery scheduled?
And as soon as this pneumonia is just about gone, and then do the surgery, I'm fine. No, I just have to look at this pneumonia is all gone. That's why I put you all the documents. that I
And if
needed
you're
to bring
drug
you.
tested today, what are the results gonna be?
Excuse me.
If you're drug tested today, what are the results?
It's good. Where's it's gonna be? I hope too much today. If you need me to take it today, I can go take it today.
All right, we're gonna get a UA today.
Okay, no problem.
All right, and then probation,
But I should,
she's gonna need a UA today.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then Norma, call this back for the week of April 27th.
okay, thank you.
All right, did you drive here?
No, ma'am, I couldn't, that's why.
Okay. They're gonna give you a place to do the UA. You need to get that done. Do you understand?
That's my judge and that,
All right. All right, so they'll give you a reset.
okay.
All right, thank
Excuse
you.
me, fellas, let's go back.
And they'll let you know where to go to do the UA. Thank you.
Judge, I was remembering when I was first licensed and I had a client and you had her do a UA and I was like, oh, Judge, she's shy or she can't go to the bathroom. And then I was like naive, so I was like buying her Cokes. So I bought her one and then I bought her another one.
Mhm.
She's like, I still can't. And then I bought her a Gatorade and then I bought her another Coke.
Yeah.
We're here for like 2 hours
Yeah.
in the afternoon, a long time ago.
Oh, yeah.
7 years ago. And then Yeah, then finally she's like, "Arr." and then she was like, okay, I'll be positive.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah. All right, anyone else who's ready?
Samuel Ramirez, page 6.
Samuel Ramirez?
Judge, I'm here for him.
Yes.
And apparently he's not here, so I'm here in front of you. I don't know.
All right, Deputy Laura, if you all can make any announcements for Samuel Gerald Ramirez. Court is calling 2026 CR 001583 State versus Samuel Ramirez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state
Megan Galloway for the state.
defense?
Charles Gold for Mr. Ramirez.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 10:03 a.m. Defense, have you had any contact with your client?
No, ma'am.
Right. And with regards to the PF case that's listed, does anyone know if he's in custody because of that? Okay. And Deputy Laura, are you able to check if he's in custody?
Yes, Judge, as of Friday, he was not, let me check again.
Okay. And Deputy, did you make an announcement?
Yes, ma'am.
And what were the results?
There you go.
All right, thank you. All right, let's see, maybe he's in custody.
He is not in custody of the PF.
All right, thank you. All right. State,
We're requesting a bond forfeiture.
all right, the court will issue a judge's warrant, remand your client without bond. If your client makes an appearance, you can always file a motion and the court will hear it. And counsel, you're on the PF case, we're off the record. Are you on the PF case as well?
I think so, Judge. Yes.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, anyone else ready?
I do not.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's a provide. It depends on.
I guess I'm gonna have to do that.
Yeah.
And I thought the act on.
Able to hunt?
Okay, so we just. Okay.
Do you want to share your name?
Yeah.
Well, Marco set up? Okay. Isaías Reyes?
Well, it seemed like he tried to. He tried to get sense of. You're catching on the thing. We need to get after my. Simple as.
Gabriel Baca?
Some of the lots, obviously, they're full of.
And then you'll need Gonzalez?
It's like something like.
Well,
And ran to a wall.
Yeah, it was like, it was 17 or 18. My mother was 35. My mother. Before and after picture. A long time, about 55 years ago. Yeah, I'm 73, so I was 17 or 18 there. Yeah. Judge, I tell you
Yes.
something, can I tell you something?
Sure.
I'll show you. That's me on the right, my mom on the left.
Oh my gosh.
I was about 17 or 18.
Oh, wow. You all look just alike.
Yeah.
I can see the resemblance.
My mother was 35, right? I was 17 or 18. And she's only, she was 16 when she had me, so,
Mhm. Aw.
so that's what before and this is after.
But you guys have the same beautiful smile.
Mm,
Aw.
So that's a long time ago,
Mhm.
at least 60 years ago.
Oh my gosh. Doesn't time fly?
Yeah, because I'm 73 now, so
Ah,
I'm only 74 this year.
but here's the thing, you don't look it. That's the whole thing. Yeah.
My grandmother used to say, well, in Spanish, what you have here, you'll see exhibit here.
Mhm.
So
Aw.
keep this one clean.
Oh, yeah, I like that.
See what I'm saying?
Mhm.
Lo que contienes aquí, lo muestras aquí.
Okay.
So what you have in here, you'll exhibit here. So you have bitterness in here,
Mhm.
you see bitterness in your face.
Mhm.
So keep this one clean.
You know what? Thinking about that, that is so true. Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh. All right. I try to give you all that. Before and after,
Mhm.
we become caricatures of what we used to look like. My mother's gone. And so I'm left behind. I'm the oldest of 14. She had 14 children. The oldest one. And I'm now there. I've always been there. Second mom, so even as adults, I think the youngest one is the 50, 51. My youngest. Oh. So when they don't call, no news, good news.
Yeah.
Because they only call when they need something. I'm like, if they don't call, they're good. Because that's the only time I said.
That's what my grandmother would always
Mhm.
say about children. If they don't call, everything is great.
Everything's good.
Mhm.
So they only call when they need something or they're in trouble. And they needed a criminal defense attorney.
Oh, yeah. Well, one of my friends said that whenever they wanted to speak to their children, the quickest way to get them to call was not to put any money in their account.
That's true.
Yeah.
That is true. Well, since being the oldest of 14, and my mom's gone, so, but I've always been there, so
Mhm.
what my mom couldn't do, I had to do, so.
Yeah.
Ms. Neva would like to speak to you about Israel Gonzalez on page 2, 3 down.
All right, Israel Gonzalez. You said, oh, just have a seat. I see that you broke your ankle. Just have a seat on the front row. If there's anything that I'm saying that you can't hear, just let me know. Yeah, you can have a seat. I'm sorry. All right, do you want to come up? Because you don't have to. All right. All right, so
Apologize for dressing on top of it.
Oh, no, I mean, it's hard to get over that. I'm sure that ankle was very painful.
Yeah.
So what happened?
I was working and I jumped off the back of a truck and I was working detail. And it was like the greaser, like it's really slippery. And I jumped off. It was like a liquor truck too. I just it like slipping. I just like kind of like splits, but like with one leg, it just
Oh my gosh, I know that was painful.
Uh,
So, what is happening?
Your Honor, I received a thumb drive from the state. And one of the, but there's a report of records that between phone, which is very important. And so, but I cannot open it, the report itself, for me to be able to study it. I, the state just used my thumb drive and it took forever and ever and ever and ever, and it finally opened. So I guess I wasn't patient enough to wait for it to open because I thought it wasn't going to open. So I just need some more time, Your Honor.
All right. And then do you have all the discovery on the family violence case?
Yes, which is on the robbery.
Okay,
I don't think so unless, because it has not been indicted yet.
okay. And do you have any upcoming medical appointments?
April 22nd, I believe. I have surgery sometime.
Oh. All right, Norma,
Yes, sir.
recall this for a plea deadline date mid-May.
The 19th.
All right, we'll be
Okay.
back on May 19th. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Oh, no, 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 not that. Today. Not today.
Cindy, what are the, go to the back cover?
Oh, my gosh.
Shake it to death.
Thank you for reminding me. Deputy Laura, have they asked for that?
They haven't, but I did mention that. Normal has been but
Well, because the defense needs to look over it with the state to make sure that they agree that those are the exhibits.
Minus the police report though, right?
No, the police report's taken out.
Good.
I always put that aside.
Okay.
Good morning, Mom.
Mr. Cindy too.
I've been calling. Good morning.
All right, who's next?
I don't have anybody sent it. Oh, Mr. Porter? You wrote this?
Yeah, I was gonna finish filling it out. I got it. I got it. 2026 CR 000. I think it's 500. Either 500 or 507. I'm not sure. Everything all right. Oh, page 5. Page 5.
All right, Cesar Robles.
Yeah, she's on there.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, how's it going? Yeah,
More here.
good morning. All right, council, where are we on discovery?
Discovery's fine. I know the state wants to reach out to their complainant.
Okay. And
We're
state,
making an offer.
okay, so no offer has been
Not at this time, Judge. I reviewed it. I have something in mind. I just need to speak with the complainant. The advocate did reach out on Friday, but was unable to, so I hope to have resolution. Well, by the next setting, that will determine things.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset, and at that time, state, you'll need to be prepared to tender an offer.
Yes, Judge.
And defense, you'll need to be prepared to sign the acknowledgement of discovery.
Yes, sir.
All right, April 16th?
That's fine.
Okay.
I called him, he didn't answer, I texted him, okay.
All right, thank you. Anyone else ready?
No, ma'am.
Wrong one. There you go. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh.
Okay.
I think.
You're 40? You're 45.
Well, I go to. Whenever I have a sale, you buy one, you get two free. So about the same price.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
$500, I get free suit without information. So, it's taken me 10 years, but I got like 35 suits. So, I'm full for it.
All right, Deputy Laura,
Yes, Judge.
of course, I need to make sure I have the codes correct for my students. All right, one is medical. Am I correct?
Yes, you're correct.
Two,
Hold on.
blue, CPR deaf,
Yes,
2 officer assistants,
yes. Malia,
yeah, 3 escape.
we have them right from Judge.
Oh, okay, so 3 is escape,
Yeah.
4 is a fire, 5 is some kind of maintenance, emergency, flooding, etc. 6 CERT officers,
Or, yes,
7 bomb threat,
yes.
and 11 all officers.
Available officer.
Okay, so what is 8, 9, and 10? Is there no 8, 9, and 10?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay. All right.
So
Okay,
yes, you got them right there.
yay. I'm like, my students must have the correct information.
Motion. I don't know what she did on Monday. Yeah. My name where I can get you the AT.
Right back.
Yeah. Dudes call me every day.
For what? I'm gonna print it out first. Oh, yes. Go ahead.
Let's just do that. That way, if we get to sign that, it's in harsh, name of the
Sure,
conditions.
we should have gone.
I called the bill of the answer.
No, not from last year. This past.
There's nothing. here.
When were they filed motions for?
This last motion?
It may still be the same motion.
Yeah, because I don't have an order of anything being.
Yeah.
At all, that's the problem, I guess.
If we're already get the motions purged.
And full.
Yeah, it was already handled.
There was no.
Keep the-
interest.
Right. That was already handled. We needed just to get the motion in here so judge can sign off to whatever she think he can go back to the new business.
It's like.
Yeah.
Waiting for them. This phone, going for this phone. Yeah, it was like paper covered up. Or the thing, all of them are. That's never surrendered. You got. There's something you lost. Sounds like it must be this. Just so. Seems like just. Shooting business.
Yeah, this is not, is Lily still there? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Nothing to do. Penny. My mic on him. It is like a plot.
Single bandit. Yeah. Yeah.
We can info that part. Watch. Choose to do. We're all talking about it now. Correct, yeah. You would constitute to the full.
Yeah. That's good. Just before this, it's like. Something that's in this. It's like all those responses. Well, I mean, this, I just want to show the ones we.
She's not free. He's not. Yeah, all of us.
It's surprising. It's called.
Yeah, but we're not putting those for them to go. I put them myself first.
Right, is he gotten back with you?
Sure, I'll go to the. That's one.
Yes, directional, I'll be back.
Good place time.
To get a setting on a motion for determination. Get it out.
Is that true?
Oh, Mr.
Maybe the 19th. Nine? Nine.
The people part.
How's it going? Pretty good. Sure, if I leave in the actually group, well, this is handled now.
But what's supposed to be added in here is that, wasn't there supposed to be a case manager or something?
Yeah, you're supposed to get a case manager. Yeah,
All right, okay, I need that put in here.
I'll put it in right now.
And he's to have a case manager,
I'll
no later than,
428.
well, he's already taken his medication dose, right?
So he's taking his meds right now. That's why, I mean, he's at Cross Point still.
Okay,
We haven't been able to get him out.
all right, so he'll need to get a case manager through, Center for Healthcare Services, or either if he has a private insurance. And then we will recall this for the week of April 13th.
Yeah, he's already got a court date on that.
Oh, what date is it?
I think it's
Oh, let me look it
20th
up.
maybe, but I mean, he's got a court date.
What's the cause number on that?
DCA 2018 CR 4056.
Yeah, it's April 28th.
Questions. I knew the question.
Well, we have a question? Okay, all right, that'll be a yes to that one. What's the next one?
Yeah, man.
That's gonna be no,
Yeah,
but, okay, do I see that?
Yep.
All right, could somebody get Bill Simmons here, please?
Simmons is good for him.
Nick said he was on his way to talk about the.
Oh.
Hold on.
I don't have a map. Yep.
And your client's on probation, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I never went back because we went right into the docket, so I forgot about it.
So we're good on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 did not come in. That was just a police report that used to refresh the memory, so now in that 10.
Yes.
11.
Think so, yes.
Okay, 12,
Yes.
and obviously yours.
Yes.
Okay. This can all go back to the jury now. Oh.
Deputy Lana.
Take some questions back.
There might be a judge call
Okay.
for you.
All right, I'm printing something over there. Um. So I'm sorry. Okay. Could I have that?
You're already in the present.
Oh, sorry. Let me know if that's an issue, if that's correct.
I don't have a problem with it.
Oh, no, not yet.
I don't have a problem with that.
Okay. If you have them, copy it. Yes, just give me a moment.
So.
Yes. I don't think I would.
That's okay. All right, who's ready?
Yes, ma'am. I have a Daryl Payne, 8 page, 2 down. Okay, she's not here, she went, Is that her name, McDonald? It's Christine McDonald. Page 9, 3 down, Stephen. Can't pronounce his last name, just the name's yours.
All right, we have to wait for the inmates to come back out.
Sure.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. And she wants to know. Yeah, please. Okay. Yeah, fine. Take that drive.
All right, who's here on Wallbacher? Are you all prepared to proceed on the motion?
We are, Your Honor.
All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 0889, State versus Stephen Wallbacher. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Donald Wilson for the defense.
And are you Mr. Wallbacher? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Stephen Wayne Wallbacher who was placed on community supervision in 2023 CR 0889 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, 4,200 grams on August 10th, 2023 for a term of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Violated condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Stephen Wayne Wallbacher, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of September, October, and November 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
State will waive the remaining.
Any objections to the waivers?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 8 years in the prison?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to deny the motion and alter and amend to add state ISF relapse track. It's the understanding of the parties that Mr. Wallbacher was ordered to attend previously, and I believe it was September of 2025, which he failed to do. But based on this report here, it's clear that I'm sorry, Judge, to alter and amend to complete the full 90-day substance abuse track or to repeat the cognitive, because he's ineligible for just the relapse track. Sorry, as I was stating, it does seem that Mr. Wallbacher does have a substance abuse problem that needs treatment, and I'm sure defense will expand on that.
Yes, Judge, he's had a substance abuse problem most of his adult life, and it's one it's had a firm grip on him. He's relapsed multiple times, and from what Mr. Wallbacher has told me, he's finally reaching that point at an age where they're tired. And I really believe that he's committed to fighting it diligently and moving forward. He has a wife at home and he's motivated to get in front of this longstanding problem that he's had, Judge. And we would ask you to go along with our recommendation and get him, one last chance at rehabilitation for this drug problem.
All right, so this isn't his first motion to revoke. Previously, he was here and the court, everyone please whisper. Previously, he was here and the court ordered that he go to ISF. So what happened with that?
He's completed ISF. And then this, I guess in September, he was ordered to the ISF relapse. And that's when he didn't report. And then we found out that he didn't qualify for it as well.
I didn't know it. I didn't know that I didn't know. I didn't report because I was scared. Remember they issued a warrant for my arrest to turn myself in September. And I didn't turn myself in right away. I stayed out there to help my girl get some bills paid. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I
don't think he's appropriate for probation. I mean, the one thing in this court you have to do is you have to report.
just tired.
Yeah.
One
I don't-
chance, Your Honor. That's all I want. One more chance. I'm just tired of doing this.
Yeah, I don't think he's appropriate. So do you all wish to discuss time?
Your Honor, can we step away and
Yes. Who's next?
Right, yes, page 7, one down, that's Jonathan Dreamer.
Jonathan Dreamer.
Okay.
All right, is there anybody here who's ready, who has a client who's in custody, who's in the box currently?
Rivas, is Mr. De Leon here? I have Mr. Juan Rivas, page 1, 2 down for Mr. De Leon.
All right, Juan Rivas.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Sorry, Judge, did you call Juan Rivas?
Yes, I did. All right. Good morning. So you have your transcripts?
We do not have the transcripts, Judge. We do not have the school records. Just a matter of waiting for the people who are responsible for that to produce the transcript.
Yes, Your Honor, I have followed up with the court reporter. I've gotten her invoice over to the people who pay her. That's all been taken care of. I've followed up to get an ETA. I just haven't heard back.
Yeah, and the state's kept me informed.
All right, so nobody's leaving here today until I have a word from the court reporter when that's going to be done, because this has been going on since November. We've been waiting for school records since November. Again, since October for school records. Again, I don't understand why people are indicting cases without the appropriate discovery. So we're going to wait here till the court gets word on when those records will be ready, which I don't know why those transcripts were not here before the case was indicted. We're going to wait here until you find out when those school records going to be ready. And are these school records coming from out of town? Or are they in Bear County?
No, Your Honor, and I'll double check on that. We've already ordered them and requested them. I do believe we have them in. I just wasn't able to check before we
Oh,
came up
well,
here.
if they're in, y'all need to go get them and give them to defense. But
Yes, Your Honor.
court is not resetting this case until I know when that court reporter's record is going to be done and when the defense has those school records in their possession. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, who's next?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Fatima, page 1, way at the bottom for Mr. Cabanas. The interpreter is here.
All right, Fatima. Thank you. Hello.
How are you, Judge?
Hi. So on this case, treatment records?
Yes, Judge. So I'm looking at my notes. The last time I appeared here was on the 19th of February.
Yes.
And the state shared with me their expert review, or I guess their experts review of the file regarding SPI. I believe the state is, in other words, I have everything that I need.
Mhm.
I don't know if there's any more medical records. I don't believe so. I think the state has just something else that they need to.
Yes, Your Honor. Initially, we had made an offer over to defense. They had made a counter offer. We needed to wait for our expert to review all of the medical records that we have. He's done so. As Mr. Fania said, he's read over our notes from that meeting. We've spoken with the family. We still just need to speak with admin on defense's counter offer.
All right, y'all need to do that now. Go speak to the admin now, whoever they are.
Yes, Judge.
Yes,
All right,
Judge.
thank you. Who's next?
The other people with Mr. Dreamer got out next, ma'am, and then I don't have an attorney on the other one. And no one else behind him is ready.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Hello, you all ready?
We're ready.
All right, we're back on the record in 2023 CR 0889, Stephen Wallbacher. Hello. And have you all come to a decision?
Yes, Judge, the agreement of the parties is to grant state's motion and sentence to 5 years to do.
We agree with that, Your Honor.
And Mr. Wallbacher, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes,
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. The court will grant the motion. Court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, credit for any time successfully completed in inpatient treatment.
Yes, Judge.
And there is to be no unsupervised contact with minors.
Judge, for the record, it looks like he has 140 days in just Bear County Jail, then 182 at Safe P, 60 days in the, I believe it's the halfway house after that, and then 90 days at ISF, according to the information that probation has given him.
All right, and you'll need to clear that with the police. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess or any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Also, because you've waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. And I'm going to request the therapeutic community. The therapeutic community does not increase the time that you're in custody, but it is there to help you address any issues you may have. All right, good luck to you. You're welcome.
Have a seat, sir.
Yes. But you know what? And oh, thank you so much. I always tell people you've transitioned into adulthood is such a great organization. And Marie did a great place on the Fiesta Medal.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it came out very,
But I'm gonna buy some from you guys too, so that you all have donations.
oh, I appreciate it.
Okay. But thank
Let me
you.
know how many you want and I can bring them on by.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, Brenda sent me a text yesterday. Can you go by
You know,
and
why
get
don't you
one?
just bring some to court? I know some attorneys will probably want some.
Okay,
Yeah, just bring some and I will have it placed in the back. So if anyone wants them, they'll be able to get them.
okay, I'll do that.
Okay, but she did such a good job.
All right.
I
thanks,
love
guys.
it.
Tim. Yes, the discovery acknowledgement, I'm waiting on it all.
This is such a great organization. I used to be on their board and it's to help foster children aging out of the foster care system. Because you know, nobody ever thinks,
It's all just not.
like, if a foster care child, you know, they're leaving foster care and they do receive college for, but you know, you need someone, it has to be safe. But you need someone to encourage you to do that. But people don't think about the fact when it's spring break, where do they go? Because, you know, the parental rights have been terminated and you're trying to put them on the right track and you don't want them to go back to where they were. So they have to thought of that. And then even though their college is free,
Here, right there.
school supplies, books, well, they do get books, but there are other incidentals that's related to that you don't get. Mhm. Yes. So it's a lot. But they, and when they would graduate from high school, I would show up to their graduation. But Brenda knows and Mary Fuentes started it because they would do a lot of CPS cases. And sometimes you would represent a child and their parents would never get their act together. So you would be that child's attorney. If they came to you at 2, you're their attorney till they aged out of the system. So you could probably be with the child until, you know, if they're just a little baby for 18 years. So you really get to know them. And that's why CASA volunteers are so important because, yeah, but CASA volunteers are so great because they get a chance, they're usually retired people, and they get a chance to go visit the children. Sometimes they get to take them on activities. And sometimes you, as their attorney ad litem, get to take them to different things and have them experience different things. So YTA, it truly does fill the gap. And I always say, they should be funded so much. But when I was on their board, we would sell Fiesta medals, give donations, do anything we could to help them bring in funds. And 100% of it goes to the foster care. Because sometimes when children are in foster care, their credit is bad. And the reason why their credit is bad because their parents have used their names and taken out credit cards. And so YTA would have fixed that and started bringing to the attention, this is what we need to start looking at. Sometimes you would get parents who would steal their child's social security number. So it's a whole lot of things that people don't think about. And then people don't think about graduating from high school, who's getting their cap and gown, who's getting their class ring, their invitations. So it's a lot. So I love you transitioning into adulthood. Yeah. So they're awesome. Anyone ready?
Yes, we have Dreamer out for Mr. Marler. Mr. Dreamer is on G. 7-1 down there.
All right. And can you have Christine McDonald come back here, Norma? And Mr. Dreamer, who's the attorney? Hello,
Attorney doing?
I'm doing okay. How's it going?
It is going. I am here for Robert for this setting, Your Honor. This is a discovery setting. I'm just asking if we can be recalled for tomorrow. Robert is in Comal County.
Okay.
I know that he has been dealing specifically with Sarah Brown on this case, so we just want him to be here so we can talk with her and explain everything to Mr. Dreamer.
All right, Norma, this is to be recalled for tomorrow. All right, we'll see you back tomorrow.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Have a seat, Mr. Dreamer.
Please ask Reyes.
Okay.
I was wanted to let you know that. Okay.
The case, the two cases.
Ready?
Stand by.
We're on Joe Morales.
Oh, bro.
Case, yeah.
Really good signed in before. Defendant for me signed. If I needed to hear him. It's
Joe Morales,
Think
Come
someone
down.
signed in before us, John.
that's okay. Come down. Do you have all the discovery in this case?
I believe I do, Your Honor.
All right, today is his plea deadline date. That's what it's set for.
Well, we were recalled, Your Honor. We were wanting to get an offer from the state. So we were here last week. So
Did you tender an offer?
Offer's been tendered, Your
offer's been tendered, Your Honor. But we've only, our first setting was last week. We've had a week. So we're hoping to come back and get an offer that he can accept, but we haven't. So we'd asked to have some time to discuss the plea.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. I need how old are you?
45.
Norma, recall this for Thursday for a plea deadline date.
And Your Honor, we've only had a week. I need to go over it. He needs to watch the videos and do some things. I just asked for the traditional time that you normally give for plea deadline, which is I think a month or 45 days or whatever you normally give.
Norma, recall it back for March 26th.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right, Eddie Bustio.
Oh, I was just gonna go back.
No, I'm doing it. Confirming.
Yeah.
Where do you want him to go from?
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. Mr. Bustio?
He's coming, Judge.
Oh, thank you.
Mr. Pink, you sit over.
Hello.
Hi.
Court is calling 2025 CR 014983 State versus Eddie Bustio. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
David A. Garcia, attorney for Eddie Bustio.
And are you Mr. Bustio?
Yes, you.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Bustio, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with driving while intoxicated, third or more. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, and he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is.
Sir, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $1,200 fine. State recommends community supervision. They're asking for $60 restitution to DPS for testing. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
Not heard, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, DWI intervention, VIP live, 2-year license suspension, and ignition interlock for half the term. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers States Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
We've reviewed States 1 and all attachments, Your Honor. We have no objections.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, my client is elderly. He supports his wife who's going through major issues, seizures. She's stuck at home. He's basically her caregiver. He understands he made this mistake. He thanks the state for recommending the probation. We're hoping you follow the agreement. Regarding the fine, he survives off of Social Security. We're asking that you probate the fine. And then because it is a third degree DWI third, we're asking that regarding the 10-day jail sentence or sanction, you allow him to do his time at home. Other than that, we're just asking that you follow the recommendation, Judge. His last DWI was, I believe, 27 years ago. Does not drive. And so perhaps one of the bracelets would be better than having the blow and go ignition interlock. Doesn't have a car.
Do you have access to a vehicle at your home? Are there any vehicles at your home?
None. My wife and I 24/7. One time, going to my lawyer, I go once a month. Walmart, HEB, my sister advised me. Everything else is brought to me.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is finding you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. There's a $1,200 fine that will be probated. Restitution of $60 to DPS for testing. In lieu of the 10 days Bexar County Jail due to hardship, the court is going to order 30 days GPS partial, waive fees, and it's partial for medical appointments. And for necessities. And the court considers going to the grocery store a necessity. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, TAP evaluation out of custody, follow TAP recommendations, 120 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to ask for sober support meetings once a week. For every sober support meeting you complete, that will count as an hour towards your community service restitution. So if you want to do more than that, you're more than welcome to do more than one a week. DWI intervention, VIP live, 2-year license suspension, ignition interlock for half the term, or any type of portable monitoring device with an affidavit of non-driving. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation, is there anything else? Thank you. Proof of employment or SSI within 45 days. No employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're one of those people who cannot drink alcohol.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. It is so easy to get behind a vehicle, drink, and end up killing someone. I have yet, and I think your attorney will tell you, I have yet to meet someone who's charged with intoxication manslaughter or intoxication assault who said, my intent was to go out, drink to intoxication, and hit somebody. Usually what ends up happening, and then they're crying, they're asking for mercy, they never intended to do it. So you're one of those people who can't drink alcohol at all. You're not allowed to drink alcohol, especially while you're on this probation. Do you understand?
Understood.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
Anyone else ready?
Yes, ma'am, I need it. Page 9, right?
All right, and Norma, do you have an update on Christine McDonald?
Went to the back.
All right, Chaz Reed. Who's your attorney?
That's Mr. Wills. I think he stepped out.
All right, sir, just have a seat. Your attorney stepped out.
I apologize. Julian Tobar, page 8 1 down.
Julian Tobar?
Is the attorney here?
Yes.
This is the compliance hearing. I don't know if he would need his attorney, so I'm not sure.
Oh,
need it for this?
no, but I don't think so. It's just a
I didn't think
compliance.
so. Thanks, Clerk.
Thank you. Could I see the?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you get your supplemental, Jen?
No, I can bring that
I
up.
will break your chest, have a supplemental, please.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, do you want to go to prison? All right, so you need to start
Yeah.
completing your conditions. How old are you?
18.
All right, you're 18. So here's the thing. We're having this compliance hearing because you're 18, right?
Yeah.
I want to stress this to you. This offense, you're on deferred adjudication. You're looking at 10 years in the prison. I mean, that's what you're looking at if you're revoked. So they're saying that you've been drinking alcohol at home?
No.
No, that's what it says. I mean, it's not, okay, that's what they're saying.
Yeah.
So you're unemployed and you're drinking alcohol. You're not doing what you need to do while you're on probation.
The job I'm doing for the jobs, Judge.
And what have you been doing?
That, on the job application, I'm still struggling to find a job.
All right. So
Or I could.
Yeah. probation is going to help you with that.
And
And
a PO officer about that too. She gave me a couple of lists of a couple of jobs and I tried applying to those jobs, but they never sent me those back.
all right, so here's the thing, when you're applying for jobs, don't wait for them to call you back. Like, once you've sent in your application, do a follow-up. Try to phone them, call them and say, hey, I really need this job. I really want to come. Because sometimes squeaky wheel gets the oil,
Yeah.
right? So you're gonna have to start doing that. And this whole thing with your drinking alcohol, I know it's easy to get depressed where you thought maybe your life would be in a different direction than it is now, but you don't want that direction to end up being prison, okay? So this is your chance. They're going to give you something to address this alcohol use. And if your family is a part of this, you need to let them know, hey, look, I spoke to the judge. If I'm revoked on this, I could potentially go to prison for 10 years. So you all got to help me. And part of that is don't try to give me alcohol. If you see me like I'm going to drink alcohol, say, hey, remember, I'm looking at 10 years. You understand?
Yes.
So do you have any other place to stay other than with your family at this point in time?
My grandpa, but he wouldn't want nobody else to stay with him. Because
Okay.
he had my deal playing with him already.
Okay. No, that's fine. But you're just going to have to start doing what you need to do.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you're going to have to re-enter to this counseling, okay?
And about that, too, I was gonna tell you, we have no right.
No.
Like, the boyfriend has a car, so she goes to work. And then my other tia just barely started working, and she has a truck too. So there's no other way for me to get a ride.
Well, there's no, VIA doesn't go where you are.
Well, I don't have the money for the bus.
All right, probation,
Yes,
do y'all have bus passes?
I need to check, Judge. We used to offer bus passes. I know those are also limited. The other issue with the counseling, Your Honor, though, was it was a no call, no show, so he was not notifying
All right,
counselor.
so maybe I'm going to chalk that up as miscommunication. But
I mean,
you need to,
I've been calling them, but they don't answer me. And I sent text messages, and I put my PO too.
all right, so make sure that with the text messages, make sure that you show them the text messages that you've been calling.
Okay.
But what I want you to do is probation is going to see about a bus pass for you. And then I'm going to want you to call them and say that you're ready for counseling.
Yes.
And figure out if they are not unable to give you a bus pass, which they should be. Figure out,
Do they have more around here on this side instead of going all the way over there?
Speak to probation about it.
Okay.
Okay?
Mhm.
All right. And then if for some reason they don't have bus passes, then see if you can coordinate with your family as far as maybe giving you some money for a bus pass. I think bus is probably what,
No, they pass the.
$4 now?
One in.
I haven't
Thousand
ridden the
like
bus.
Kinder, I think.
Yeah, I haven't ridden the bus in probably like 4 years. I don't know if it's gone up. When I first would ride it, it was maybe $1 and some change. So now at the most, it's probably $2 going and $2 back. All right.
Yes.
You need any help with anything else?
That would be it.
Okay.
Just for the writing part.
Okay. All right. Just make sure. And here's the thing. If there's an issue, come back and talk to me about it. Whatever you do, don't just disappear. Don't just throw your hands up. All right. All right.
Good.
All right. Thank you. Do you need this back? Yeah.
Have a good day, Jim.
All right. You too. Norma, do you have any update on Christine?
To the mag for the, she'll be right.
All right. Who else?
We have an Ethan Gonzalez, page 1 3 down.
Ethan Gonzalez. So all discovery is taken care of?
Judge, I think so. We had, I think there's one GSR test missing on clothing
Okay,
that state's working on. And I had asked today if they had a search warrant on the firearm that was confiscated from a car wreck.
Mhm.
And we don't have an answer on that yet. I would, if the court would allow it, I would like in the near future to have a motions hearing. Probably is going to have a motion to suppress on that firearm associated with the hearing if we can't find the warrant on it. Most of the motions are not, and actually the motion to suppress is not going to be dispositive.
okay,
None of the motions are dispositive. They're just setting up the box for the trial.
okay.
I do have an offer. Offer's been presented. It's being thought about. But we're still kind of marching towards trial.
Okay. All right, and state any update on the discovery?
Judge, that is correct. The only thing that's outstanding to my knowledge is the GSR. That was just submitted in December. There was GSR that was taken off the defendant's person. And then the follow-up was sending the clothing. So I don't have an update as to when that would be available. I've asked the lab to rush that examination. But that's the only thing that we're waiting on. And then regarding the search warrant, I've not seen it alluded to in any of the other discovery that we are in possession of. So as of right now, I don't believe it exists, but I could be incorrect. So I'm in the process of reaching out to the agency for an update on that.
Judge, may I respond?
Yes.
Judge, the discovery on this case is absolutely massive. You can see from the discovery acknowledgement, we're already up to 100 pages of files associated with it. So it may take a little bit of searching to actually determine if indeed there was a search warrant with respect to that firearm.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. Set this for a plea deadline date in May. And put it at the third week of May. And counsel, if there are motions or there's some other issue with discovery, y'all need to let the court know before this date.
Will do.
May 19th? All right, that will be your plea deadline date. All right. Is there anything else?
Not from the state.
No, Your Honor, not for the defense.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes.
Oh, counsel. You've received the discovery on the ag assault cases, correct?
They're all the same date, same episode. So I essentially have a master discovery file of everything.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Okay. Good question though, Judge.
Hey, I wanted to make sure. All right, are you all ready? Oh, she's still.
I have a Lucille Soto ready on page 4, 1, 2, 3 down.
Soto?
Your Honor.
Hello.
Robert Ramirez from Minnesota. He is on bond. He is not present this morning. He was here on Friday, but he has flu-like symptoms. He's home in bed. And I just asked him to stay home, given policy about that. He has a fever. But I've signed the discovery acknowledgement and we've received an offer, and I believe a short, like a week, given the time of recovery sufficient.
I need to sign back.
Where
Read.
I'll give you a call. Have him look at
He
it.
said if the court requires, he will come in. He said he was sneezing and stuff, so I told him. I told him couldn't excuse him. He did.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. Set this for a plea deadline date at the end of March.
I think March 31st.
All right, March 31st.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Who else is ready?
Daryl Payne, page 82 down.
All right, Dara Payne. Hi, oh, you're on this side, counsel. Yeah. Hi, Mr. Payne.
Right.
All right. So where are we on the competency evaluation?
Judge, we just received the results last week and we are set in Mag Court on Wednesday for the disposition.
Okay. And what were the results?
Based on the evaluation, they found Mr. King competent, Judge.
Okay.
So we were also going to, well, I'll wait until I can speak for you.
All right. And you say you're set on Wednesday?
Yes, let me double check. Yes, Judge.
All right. Ms. Ferguson? If you, counsel, do you want to reset this for? Let me see here. You want to reset it for next week? I'm not going to be here because I have a mental health conference. I can set it for the end of March, or if you would like, another judge will be here the week of the 23rd. They could hear it however you would wish to do it.
Well, Judge, since it is an MTR that's pending, if we could get as soon a date as possible, Judge. Judge Floyd is going to be next week.
All right. So if you want, we could perhaps bring it back on Thursday if you'd be ready by that time after the hearing in magistrate's court, or either would have to be the end of March.
Okay. I have a doctor's appointment. I'm out that day.
Okay.
Do you have Docket Friday?
Just 1 second. Norma, do we have mental health court on Friday?
Oh, this Friday?
Yes.
We do. I'm sorry, yes, we do.
All right, so we can recall him for Friday. All right. Norma, if you put him on the docket for Friday?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, this Friday, Judge?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Are you okay with Friday?
I'm going to tell you in mind. Yes.
Okay, we'll bring you on Friday.
Okay, Friday the 20th, Judge?
Also, you could give your client this?
Yes, and that'll be at 9, Judge?
Yes. All right, so we'll bring it back on March 20th. And here's some more tissue if you need.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. We'll bring you back on March 20th.
That's all I have, Judge, maybe excuse?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, who's next?
No, ready? Page 9, 1 down.
Chaz Reed. Taking Odyssey a little while.
I'm sorry.
I said it's taking Odyssey. Just some time. Are you all ready to proceed on the MTR? No.
We're not, Your Honor. This is one where the only allegations are 2 new number ones, and the state has 1 empty file, and the other one we need to do some homework on because Mr. Reed tells me he has registered and they're in his wallet is in the property room, I presume.
Right. Ms. Ferguson, set this for a contested hearing in 3 weeks. All right, we'll be back for a contested hearing on April 6th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a seat, sir. Thank you.
All right.
All right, who's ready?
Yes, ma'am. Before I be clipboard. Thank you. Isaiah Reyes, page 6, 1 down.
Isaiah Reyes.
Present, Judge.
All right, what is happening with this case?
Judge, we got discovery today. We got an offer. I would like the court, you would set a plea deadline date.
Okay. How old are you?
21.
And on this, there's no PTD?
No, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yeah.
set this in 1 month for plea deadline date.
Yes, sir. April 16th.
All right, April 16th. All right, just have a seat here, bring the reset form to you. Thank you.
On the sign and then
All right, who's next?
Elvio Gonzalez, page 4, slide down.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, how's it going?
Good. This is me, and all I'm asking for is that we recall it for tomorrow for a plea.
Okay. All right. Odyssey.
We've accepted a plea. Hopefully the paperwork will be done in the morning. We'll just knock it out.
Okay. All right, and how old are you?
22, ma'am.
All right. Are you employed or anything?
Yes, ma'am.
So is he gonna be able to come back?
He's a self-employed landscaper, so he
Okay.
said he could come back in the morning.
All right, we'll recall you for tomorrow morning. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge,
Yes.
can Bob Barron for the coach? No, he can change the date. It's his birthday.
Can I do the 23rd instead of that day after my birthday?
You know what Prince said? Prince said he never celebrated his birthday.
I celebrate my birth month.
Yeah, he said no. He's like, that's why people age, because they celebrate. Who's your client?
Isaiah Reyes.
And what date are you asking for?
I guess the following week
For Monday. the
or
20
Monday, whatever you want.
Yeah, the 23rd.
Okay, that's fine. No, Norma, we can't do that on the 23rd.
Come back, Bob.
Norma keeps wanting y'all to be here for Fiesta.
Oh.
I'm just gonna start.
23rd.
Oh, March 23rd? No, we're set in April, Norma.
Oh, was it April?
Yeah. Well, that's nice.
Oh, I'm sorry, you said. We can do the 28th.
28.
See, Deputy Laura, she doesn't want you all to go outside and play with the other children.
So again?
Yeah. All right, who's next?
I have Joe A. Rodriguez, page 4, 2 down.
Joe Anthony Rodriguez. Hello. Oh, I'm doing okay. How are you doing?
Very good, sir.
All right. So I have the acknowledgement of discovery.
Yes, Judge.
Has an offer been tendered?
Yes, Judge.
How old are you?
For 33, miss.
All right, Norma, recall this next week for a plea deadline date. All right, we'll bring you back on March 23rd, and that's your plea deadline date. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a seat, sir.
Who's next?
Yes, Omar Contraras, page 6, 5 down.
Omar Contraras. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, on this case, where are we on discovery?
Judge, actually, we have not reviewed all of it. So we were in the pre-indictment status just as of 2 weeks ago, but we're here and we haven't had a chance to go through it with him. And then the DA did indeed tender us an offer this morning. So we just need some time to review it.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this for discovery in 30 days. That will be discovery and plea deadline date.
Great, thank you. Thank you.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Just 1 second. Norma, on Omar Contreras, the violation report, has that already been heard?
It has, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, thank you. All right, who's next?
Griffin, I have Mr. Gaines, the Montre, Renee, page 6, Susan.
Demontre Gaines. Hello, good morning. So has all discovery been received?
No, Your Honor, I reviewed Veripic and it seems there was an issue with Axon sending it over. Thankfully, we are now in Axon. So as soon as the detective reads my email, he should be able to send the case file. So I would just ask for a 2-week reset and I'll tender an offer at that time as well.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you reset this, because once it's uploaded, it give you time to review with your client. And state if you can confer off Docket to submit an offer.
Yes, Judge.
And Ms. Ferguson, if you can recall this in 30 days.
April 15th.
April 16th.
16th, sounds good.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Gaines.
All right, who's next?
I don't have anybody else signed in, Judge.
And Norma, you can call back Michael DeLeon on his other client, Robertson. Mhm. Okay. And who is that defendant? Okay. Oh, and Norma, David Garcia. If you can call him back for Adam Cruz. And if you can call Melissa Christian back for Ibarra. No. Oh, it was 12 o'clock.
Yes, Judge.
Oh, I had no idea. So yes, everyone, the court is going on recess. And we'll be back at 1:30. Yes.
Judge, at 1:30, I'm scheduled to start picking a jury in the 437.
Okay.
If I don't, I'll come back and announce on Fatima, well, we're just waiting on Ashley to go talk to,
Okay.
our chief, but that's where I'll be, Judge.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.